The weight X of chicken eggs from a farm is normally distributed with a mean of 60 grams and a standard deviation of 5 grams. Eggs with a weight of more than 67 grams are classified as jumbo. What proportion of eggs are jumbo? So, we know that X is a normal distribution with a mean of 60 and a standard deviation of 5. And here we want the probability that X is more than 67. So let's go to the normal distribution and we want the normal CDF. We want to go from 67 upwards, so with 67 to infinity, with the standard deviation as 5 and the mean as 60, and that gives me 0.0808. What proportion of jumbo eggs are less than 75 grams in weight? So that's going to be the probability that X is less than 75, given that it's jumbo, which means X is more than 67. So that's going to be where both apply on the top. That's the AND situation. So it's going to be that X is more than 67 and less than 75 divided by the probability that X is greater than 67. So we want, again, the normal CDF. And we want to go from 67 up to 75, 5, and 60. So that's that. And then we need to divide by the probability that X is more than 67, which was the answer to the first part of the question. So it's going to be basically that divided by that, which is 0.9832. The heaviest 0.05% of eggs fetch a higher price. What is the minimum weight of these eggs? So what we're talking about here is, if this is our distribution, that we've got 0.05% of eggs, or in other words, this bit down here as a decimal is 0.0005. We want the value just here. So that's an inverse normal. So we go inverse normal, and our tail is to the right, and it's 0.0005 with sigma equal to 5 and mu equal to 60. And that gives me 76.45 grams.